Color A, magic ring, 1 row, 1 chain stitch, 6 single crochet, 2 row, start pattern, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, end pattern, repeat 6 times. Three row, start pattern, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, end pattern, repeat 6 times. Four row, start pattern, 2 single crochet, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, end pattern, repeat 6 times. Five to 12 row, repeat pattern, increase. Thirteen to 15 row, 75 single crochet, slip stitch, color B, magic ring, 1 row, 3 chain stitch, 11 double crochet, slip stitch, 2 row, 3 chain stitch, 1 double crochet, start pattern, 2 double crochet in 1 stitch, pattern, repeat 11 times. Slip stitch, color A, 3 row, 1 chain stitch, start pattern, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, double crochet, 2 double crochet in 1 stitch, two chain stitch, 2 double crochet in 1 stitch, end pattern, repeat 3 times. Slip stitch, four row, 1 chain stitch, start pattern, double crochet, two double crochet, two chain stitch, two double crochet, end pattern, repeat 3 times, slip stitch, one row, one chain stitch, start pattern, 14 single crochet, two single crochet and one stitch, end pattern. Repeat 6 times. Slip stitch, 2 row, 1 chain stitch, 95 single crochet, slip stitch, 3 row, 1 chain stitch, start pattern, 5 single crochet, two single crochet and one stitch, end pattern, repeat 6 times, slip stitch, 4 to 6 row, single crochet, slip stitch, 7 row, 1 chain stitch, start pattern, 6 single crochet, two single crochet and one stitch, end pattern, repeat 6 times, slip stitch, 8 to 10 row, single crochet, slip stitch, head circumference 56 centimeters.